So there is a certain group of movements in Latin American dance which you have a little bit different technique. So most of the movements we have to collect, then you keep rotating, and then your chest charging lead the leg forward or side. This is most of the time, but there is a lot of movements for cha-cha, samba, paso doble, where we have used a different principle. We use shoulder rotation. So put your arms here, just swing your shoulders like this. Now make sure you don't turn here and stop. It has to be a very swingy motion where you kind of each next movement reach more and more, like I want to see my back. So the first swing starts another swing. One, one. So practice like they get this motion. Now, for example, we have this very fast batucadas. So batucada step is ball of the feet. We go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very, very inconvenient to step across like that. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna use this shoulder principles. So the shoulder swing will happen first before the leg moves. So I swing my shoulder, and I keep swinging my shoulders around, and that takes my leg. So I'm now able to do 1, 2, 3 with this shape. Now from here, I'm not gonna move my leg first, I'll swing my shoulders. In, and they're gonna take my leg, and I'm gonna keep swinging my shoulders. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So shoulders going first, leg goes second. Now what other movements? Let's say you do Cuban breaks in cha-cha. So it's very hard in Cuban break, even you collect, to lead with the chest. You have to, because this movement very much change direction too sudden. So we're going to use this technique of our shoulders. So our shoulders going first, starting on, then you can collect in the middle and produce nice action here. But the feeling is actually here. Head stay, of course, in place. From here, collect in the middle, but the most important, to change your shoulders here first. So feeling like I'm looking at my own back, then I do here. Swing shoulders before the leg, that is the key. Before the leg. So if I count, go step, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say if I do next one, keep in that opposition, and now I want to do rondé, I'm changing it, cha, 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 and then I can charge my shoulders, so let's say the body weight, so we can play with that. Now next movement that's quite difficult, is the paso doble. So like in our choreography we do batufogos, but it's very difficult to make them look nice. So even your hips forward and your arms are beautiful, movement still doesn't happen. Why? Because it has to be led from the shoulder rotations. So here we charge our hip, now hip leading the step, but the secret is in the shoulders turning before we step. Now I want to go there, I'm turning my shoulders before my leg, and then I have power to move, and then movements start really powerful. And as I add my arms, it's going to give me more three-dimensional look. Even in this movement, let's say when I walk, I have my shoulders here, and walk in this position. Now I turn my shoulders first, and then turn my lower body. Now I keep this shape here, turn my shoulders first, then my lower body. Now the same as in jack here, if I want to do point, point. It's very hard to keep your upper body like this and do it. So we're going to swing our shoulders as we change our foot. Ta-ta, ta-ta. Now I want to turn, so I will charge my shoulders first with my elbows, then I can turn. So there's many movements like this, starting.